Okay, hello, this is Dr. Omos. I want to show you, for those that do not have the analysis tool pack or having trouble, here's a revised version of what to do to generate a histogram in Excel and a frequency count table. So what you need to do is type in here, we're going to create a table, skill score. Okay, I'll get that there, and then we'll put in count here. Okay, and then we'll review these numbers. Basically, we can identify that 19 is going to be the lowest number, so I'm just going to type in 19. And then what you do is just type in 20, and then we're going to have a sequence of numbers that goes all the way to 60. Since the highest number is 59, I might as well you go to 60. So what you do is select those two numbers and then click on the right, move your mouse to the bottom right corner until you get the little cross. Sorry, see that? Okay, until you get the cross. That's the key thing. You get crosshairs here, and then you get the cross. I'll do it again. All right, so let these two, move it on the edge, go down until you get the little cross, and then just go all the way down until you see 60. Keep going. I say, okay, keep going. 60, one more. 60, okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna copy and paste from the formula here. This is the instructions I'm going to provide. Count if this column, how many times does it appear in DD. So in column DD, it's going to count how many numbers that number appear. So in this case, I'm going to copy and paste this. All right, so what it does is that it's looking at column DD and then looking up the number 19 and counting how many times it appears. So in this case, it only appears one time. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to apply the same formula for all of these numbers down here. So I'm going to move my mouse all the way to the bottom corner until I get the little cross. I'm going to drag it all the way down to where it says 60. And it's going to give me a frequency count. Okay, so this is a frequency count table. It gives me how many times the number appear in this sequence of numbers here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight this. And then I'm going to go to Insert and then go to the top ribbon and then click on that icon, what you see there. And then click on Histogram, and it generates a histogram. And so what you see, these numbers is 19. It should be, although it says comma 31, it's really 19 to 31, 31 to 43, and then 43 to 55, and 55 to 67. So it generates a histogram for you, and then at least this is something that you can use to analyze the values or the set of values for skill scores. Hopefully this is helpful. The next steps should be the same. It's just those that do not have the analysis 2 pack. All right, thank you so much.